guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gretchen. This is Beautiful Mess, and if you are new, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here, and I hope that you'll stick around. Today's video is a cleaning motivation video, and it is seriously messy. My house was just completely destroyed. So if you are into those kinds of videos, I hope that you'll consider subscribing and becoming a part of my YouTube community. So with it being the end of the school year, there were so many things going on with my daughter's school, just at work, getting ready for the end of the year, and at home, I just let the house completely become a mess. I try not to let that happen, but guys, sometimes life just happens, and I did not want to overdo it with trying to keep up with what was going on, and then also trying to keep up with the house. So, you know, things happen sometimes, and that's okay, and you just have to try to get right back into it at some point. And so close to about 2 weeks, it was finally time for me to get this house back in order. So I would have liked for it to just have been one day where I was cleaning, but again, life happens and some unfortunate circumstances took place, and I had to stop cleaning on this day and then continue on to the next day. So that just teaches us that sometimes things are just out of our control. So as you saw, I got started on the table and started in the living room, and then my wonderful husband was making some Philly cheesesteaks. Look at that, guys. That's my chef husband right there. That sandwich, I had to stop cleaning to eat that sandwich. But I got the energy that I needed to tackle this disaster in the kitchen. I don't even know what's going on here. Everything just got thrown here, and that is what I am dealing with here. So I don't know who else is excited for summer, but I definitely am. I am off of work for 2 months. So guys, I am so excited. I love spending this time with the kids and just getting to do all the fun things and making memories with them. So I am so thankful that I have the opportunity to do that. And I'm just looking forward to so many things this summer with them.
Stay where we are, we're the ones, we can break this silence. We can break this silence. We can break this silence. In the distance, I can see all the things that we can achieve. Are you starting to believe that tonight it was meant to be? Close my eyes, I feel.
So now that I have the counter cleared off, finally, I am so thankful that I don't have to look at that anymore. I'm just wiping down the counters, wiping down all of the small appliances.
Like the stars, no more fear of hiding. Stay where we are, we're the ones, we can break this silence. We
The kitchen is where it all starts for me. Once the kitchen is cleaned, I can take everything else on. So I did have a lot of laundry to do. This was just one of my 5 loads that day that I had to get done. But I didn't want to put you guys through all of that. So oh, don't mind me. I'm just getting all of the crumbs. The crumbs, guys. Look at that. This floor shows everything. I have a love-hate relationship with my floors. So after I tackled the crumbs on the floor, I needed to tackle the crumbs in this couch. It was absolutely ridiculous. I'm pretty sure it felt like I was sitting in a bag of Cheez-Its every time I sat on the couch. So I really needed to get that taken care of. And here is where the wardrobe change happens, guys. So this is the next day. Let me tell you what happened after I finished cleaning that couch. My mom had just arrived to pick up one of my sisters who was staying with me, and she hadn't gotten out of her car, so I thought it would be a great idea to go greet my mom with my son. So my son runs out in front of me, and I walk out of my door, and smack right on my lip, guys, I got stung by a wasp. It just flew into my face. It was absolutely the most horrendous thing that I've ever been through. So if you are on my Instagram and you followed my Instagram stories the other day, then you saw the picture of how bad my lip got. It was just a nightmare to go through. Thankfully, my lip is back to normal. I had never been stung by anything before, and of course, the one time that it happens, it was right on my face. It was just so bad, guys. So, let's continue on here. At this point, you guys have seen, I have started in the kids' bathrooms, cleaning the tub and cleaning the toilet. I did clean that toilet with borax. I wanted to try to see if I could remove that ring stain that I had in the toilet, and I'm gonna report, guys, it didn't work for me. So I need to try something there for removing that ring. And here I am talking to my mom here. She was asking me how I was doing.
My mystic being, held by gravity, I almost let you hold me.
I am hoping that this summer I can come up with some kind of solution for my daughter's collection of bows and headbands. I just don't know where to put them anymore. You shot my conscience. So next I had to head into my son's room and just get that room cleaned up a little bit.
I'd ask you why. Say I'm different. Let your words run out. But I'm not desperate for your approval now. Oh, me and my shadow learn to let go. Oh, burning my fears now, still in the power. Keep falling, falling.
So here I am just getting everything cleaned up off the floor so that I could let my robot vacuum just go ahead and do its thing. So right now I don't have a regular vacuum, so what I do is once the robot vacuum has gone around the whole house, I just let it go into each individual room and let it clean up the floor that way. And then I just needed to go into my room and really get that cleaned up. There was a lot of clutter and stuff there, and these sheets I had washed the day before, and my husband was so kind to put the fitted sheet for me, but he forgot to put the other one. So I'm just going ahead and getting all of that done.
Crazy, crazy. Gets a little crazy. It gets a little crazy. It's a little crazy in my mind. Crazy, crazy. It gets a little crazy in my mind. There is something about you I can't quite figure it out. All I know is I want to know what you're all about. What you're all about. Yeah, I'm falling in and out. They say love can make you blind.
So this is my master bathroom. I did have a bunch of stuff on the counter and I lost that footage. So at this point what I had already cleared everything off of the counters. So now I'm just wiping them down. So for some reason I've always cleaned my bathroom floors with an old towel. Don't know what it is. My mom used to do it when I was little and I just kind of got stuck in the habit of doing that. And then last was cleaning my floor, getting that mopped up. I had not cleaned these floors in about 2 weeks, so I was glad to finally get them cleaned up. So guys, that's it for this video. I cannot believe that I got everything clean despite everything that happened. Look at that little man right there just lounging, living the life, living the dream. But I am so glad that the house is clean. I hope that this has given you some kind of motivation, even if it's to tackle a small space in your house. don't think that it has to be some crazy whole house clean with me. I did not do this because I wanted. It just, when you don't keep up with things, life happens. So, but I hope that you found some motivation and that you can tackle your mess today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't yet, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care and God bless.